I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can change your currency on Craigslist. First, you want to search for Craigslist on your browser and click on craigslist.org. Once you're over here, what you want to do is you have to remember this. If you want to change the currency, you need to change the country where your Craigslist is currently located. So my Craigslist is registered on the Delhi, which means it's going to show me in rupees. But I want to change it from rupees into dollar. That means I need to switch my Craigslist account into a country which supports dollar, and that's United States. For that, first I need to click on this worldwide option in the bottom and choose America, because America is located in the American continent. But you need to choose which continent your country falls under. And I'm going to choose United States. From inside United States, it's going to ask me which location of United States. So I'm going to go for Alabama, so I will just choose this random location of Alabama. Now my location in Craigslist will be changed along with the currency. It's going to be transferred from rupees to dollar. So that's how you guys can change your currency in Craigslist. So if you guys found our video helpful, hit the subscribe to our channel one step. I'll see you guys next time.